I just finished making some good old burgers, and I'm about to make some chicken wings. This will last a couple of days, maybe 3 days. It's teenage boy. He might eat it all up in one day. But I made these burgers. I just put garlic, minced garlic, paprika, cayenne. No, I just put minced garlic, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, in there for seasoning, Italian seasoning, and for seasoning, and some Worcestershire sauce. Mixed it with the beef and just made my patties out. So that's what the seasonings inside the burgers are, and now I'm gonna make these chicken wings. This is what the video is about, the chicken wings. Just wanted to show these good burgers, especially that one that just came out of the skillet. The chicken wings, I've already put pepper and garlic powder on there, and it's just to taste. I just put some more garlic powder on them, and I'm going to put some lemon pepper seasoning and some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and some paprika, all to taste, just a few shakes each, and some of this good old Frank's Red Hot. I put this on everything. Nah, I don't. My son basically does, though. Just acting like that stupid commercial they have now. And I had already rinsed the chicken off. I always rinse my chicken and my pork chops and whatever. So I've rinsed the chicken off and before I seasoned it. Make sure you do that now. You gotta rinse it. Too much stuff gets on this food nowadays. This is the lemon pepper I'm putting in here right now. And I put a lot of that, because that's a lot of flavor in that lemon pepper. Paprika. Onion powder. That's enough of that. Cayenne pepper. And my Frank's Red Hot. And while I'm at it, I'm going to put some Italian seasoning in this too. Put about a cup of this, not even a cup, a half cup hot sauce. Cause I got this is a whole bag of wings, by the way. Wings, the drumette bag, whole bag of those, 4-pound bag. Got it at Aldi for $8.99, I think, today. So yeah, put a lot, about a half a cup of this hot sauce in here, and that should be enough. And then what I'm going to do is just mix it around to get this chicken good and coated with the seasoning. Then I'm going to put the flour on it and season it some more. No, I'm just going to season the flour. I'm going to season the flour with the same seasonings except for the red hot, since that's on the chicken and that's a liquid. And then I'm going to put the flour on this chicken, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then start frying it on up. I'm going to make garlic parmesan, kicking Asian wings, I think is the sauce I got from Aldi. I got the garlic parmesan sauce, and I also got the buffalo wing sauce. That's the 3 different types of wings I'm going to make, and it's going to be an easy way because I bought the sauces. I can make them from scratch, but I didn't want to. So just like after midnight, and I wanted to do the easy route. So you got all those seasonings mixed all up in that chicken right there. And you're gonna make sure you put more seasonings on your flour, so your chicken has that flavor. I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning in here too, sprinkle that in there. And there it is after I sprinkled the Italian seasoning on it. Mix that around too. Mix that Italian seasoning around as well. Get this chicken good and seasoned. I love seasoning. So yeah, I'll make sure I get stuff good and seasoned. I'd say about it. If you're not just shaking your seasonings, I'd say about a teaspoon of each seasoning. Tablespoon. And maybe about a teaspoon of each. And a little bit more of pepper. And a little bit more of Italian seasoning as well. And a little bit more, about a teaspoon of lemon pepper, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more lemon pepper. So you use about a teaspoon of all the other stuff, but the lemon pepper, the pepper, And the Italian seasoning, use a little bit more than a teaspoon of seasoning if you're measuring it out. If not, just sprinkle what you want on there. That's what I do. So I've gotten the flour all seasoned up. That clumpy stuff is the lemon pepper because it was clumped up on me in the bottle. I had to get it out. But yeah, that's how I'm going to season the flour. I'm going to mix this up and then put it on top of this. Mix this up and then put it on top of this chicken right here. And I got to drain some of that water off, that liquid off. Because you don't want your flour to be wet like that. That wet, just a little. Now it's good and drained. Get that juice and stuff out. And put this flour in here. This flour in here. And this is about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 1.5 cups. I'm putting it all in there so I can mix them wings around in it. Get them all good and seasoned and floured up. Yeah, get them good and floured up. And then I'm gonna let them sit for about 15 minutes so this flour can set in on this chicken before I throw it in that fryer, so I can start this skillet up. You want the heat to be about 350, your grease. All right, be back once it's time to put them in the fryer. And it's been sitting for about 5 minutes, but yeah, I just wanted to show once you finish actually moving the flour around what the chicken should look like. It should be fully coated and look really dry. Some people make batters for their chicken so it can be extra crispy, but my chicken's still crispy enough to be without a batter. Really, all you would do to make a batter is put eggs and flour and mix that together without the seasonings, and then dip it in the eggs and the mixture with the eggs and the flour, and then dip it in the flour. So you can do that if you want to have a batter, or just do flour with seasoning and season your chicken, because that's what I do. And you'll see that it'll still be crispy. You'll see once it finishes cooking. And so, like I said, try to get your grease up to 350, or just put it on medium high heat. But watch it, you don't want it too high. You don't want it to burn your chicken really easy. But medium high heat should be fine on your stove. And I filled it with this much grease. That's how much. About this. See, there's the pot. So I filled it with that much grease, just a little bit over the bottom of the pan, and I'm letting it heat up. And this grease is ready, it's been heating for about 6-7 minutes, and I had to test it, put water in there, pops back at you, it's ready, but I don't have to do that. I'll just spoon it for those who might not know how to test it. The heat is ready. Yeah, just put some water on your hand, splash it in the grease, and it pops back at you like that. The flash active. I'll put the first batch of wings in there, see they're cooking away, and they'll cook for about 15 minutes probably. I'm gonna let them cook for about 10 minutes in turn, so they may cook about 20 minutes. Yeah, they cook 20 minutes total. Cook about 10 minutes. I'm gonna turn them to the other side, let them cook 10 minutes. So yeah, this grease was ready. You see how it's cooking them on up. Gonna flip these for the first time. Then about 10 minutes. A little bit under. So I'm gonna flip them again. Have to flip them again because I do want them darker than this. I like my chicken dark, not very good, dark brown. I like my chicken cooked hard and not soft. A lot of people like their chicken soft. I don't like my chicken soft. I like to cook hard. Cooking for just me and my son, I cook it hard. See, it makes it crispy first, even though I didn't make a batter. That flour batter still makes it crispy on the outside. So if you want the super crispy, go with the batter, make your batter. Okay, I flipped every piece. I think I have. Yeah, nope, I didn't flip that piece. Okay, now, every piece is flipped. I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes on this side, and then I'm going to flip it again. I'm going to cook for 5 minutes on this side right here. It's already golden. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 more minutes on that side. And I may let it stay on this side 15 minutes. The side that it's on right now. That way I don't have to turn it back to that side. We shall see. So I like to call that side for about 10 minutes instead of 15. And this is the color I want it to be on that side. So flip them one more time to this side. Put them down. Those big bubbles. I bust those bubbles so they can pick those big bubbles. And it's stuck to the bottom of the pan, so I have to kind of scrape it out getting that I always pop these bubbles because I don't want that grease pulling out when I try to eat them. So yeah, put these wings. Put them all except for this one. I don't want it on have the skin come off, so I'm scraping it. So yeah, it was kind of stuck to the pan. And you see why it's cooking. It got really brown. Yeah. So this is this. I'm going to cook on this side for about 3 minutes. I'm going to take them out. Put in my next batch. Also, you can use Lawry's seasoning salt. I used to use that, but I have high blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, I wouldn't advise you to use seasoning salt. So I stopped using seasoning salt since then. But when I used to, I would use Lawry's seasoning salt. Lawrys. Lawry's. That's some good stuff. Slowly put this chicken in here, like slowly and gently. Gently and slowly, slowly and gently. Don't let it splatter you. You don't want to burn yourself. That's why I place these wings on this soup. Like that. Just like that. If you don't feel like getting burnt, do it fast. But I'm not going to get burnt. I know how I'm doing. Yeah. So this is the second batch, and I have one more batch. That one bag. Maybe 3 batches, which I need 3 batches because I'm having 3 different flavors of wings. Okay, let's have one more. I'm going to put one more piece. One more piece. And this is batch number 3. And then the rest, this is all I have left in the bowl. That'll be the last batch. This is batch number 2. These are the wing sauces that I got from Aldi. 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 If you don't know what Aldi is, it's a grocery store. But I got these from there to make these wings easy to do. I'm just going to spread them on the top of the wings since I fried them and put the wings in the oven for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to do the first batch and I'm going to make those the Parmesan garlic ones. So I poured some of the sauce out of the bottle onto a paper plate. I'm just gonna roll the chicken. I'm just gonna roll the chicken around in the sauce. Get it coated. Get that chicken coated. Get that chicken wing coated, y'all. You have to use your fingers to get it around on that piece of chicken. Do what you have to do. I have a barbecue brush. I thought this would be a lot easier than just sitting there trying to brush it. So that's how I'm coating that first piece. So the Parmesan garlic. Coat all of them, get them good coated. Okay, they're coated as good as I want them, and I'm putting them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Get the new second batch. Pop that butter. I hate those butter. This is the second batch. Batch number 2. Nice and done and crispy. Here's the Asian kick wings. Before I put them in the oven for about 6, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. Put them in the oven about 10 minutes. But this is again, I put the coating of the Asian kick sauce. And here's the garlic parmesan wings. So they look so good after I took them out of the oven. Looks really tasty. I hope they are as tasty as they look. I've never tried this sauce before. Got the Asian kick wings in the oven, and I'm frying the last batch of chicken, which will be the buffalo wings. And FYI, each batch of chicken can cook less time because the grease is hot. The first batch is the batch that has to cook the longest. So that's when you first get the grease heat up. But this is the last batch, and it's about done on one side, and then the other side will be done in about 5 minutes. So the cooks quicker, the hotter your grease is, the longer it's been cooking. So I have a small piece of this garlic parmesan chicken that I'm going to taste because I've never tried this before, so let me see. It's okay. I don't quite like the garlic parmesan sauce, but I guess with some ranch dressing it'll be really good. So I will put some ranch, but I don't really like the taste of that garlic parmesan sauce. I'll probably make my own garlic parmesan. Maybe it has to grow on me. Maybe it's a flavor that has to grow on me. Never tried it before. I hope that Asian sauce tastes good on the chicken, because when I tasted it without, it was not that good either, so I don't know. This is that last batch for you. Last batch of the fried chicken. These are going to be the buffalo wings. Putting the buffalo sauce on them. Here's the kicking Asian kick wings. Hopefully they taste good. Don't know about these sauces. Got them from Aldi's. Never tasted them before. But it looks good, but hopefully it tastes good. Okay, I did just taste a piece of these spicy Asian kick wings. They are spicy, but they're very good. That sauce is good. So yeah, I like that sauce. This last batch, these are the buffalo wings, the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce. And these are gonna go to the oven for 10 minutes, and then we're done, people. We're done, we're done, we're done. Put some more sauce on that one. There. Just using my fingers because only me and my son are eating today. So that's all that matters. But if you have people coming, get you a barbecue brush and spread that on that chicken. Not your fingers, even though my fingers are clean. So this is the final product. Garlic parmesan, Asian kick, which looks so yummy, and then the buffalo chicken with the sauce cooked into the chicken. So, I mean, you can put more sauce on your buffalo chicken if you want it to shine like the Asian, and then just put it in the oven for maybe 2 seconds, but I just wanted it cooked into the chicken. So I cooked the sauce into the chicken and left the chicken in there about 10 minutes. So this is it, people. Your wings, three varieties of chicken wings, homemade. The sauce was the easiest part. And thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. I'll reply back to you. And share this video on your Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you can share it. Share this video and recipe to your friends. Quick and easy buffalo wings for a party day, game day. About to be March Madness. Be a good thing. I got ranch dressing. Get you some celery, cut it up. Be a good thing with some chips for your trays for, March Madness, basketball season, basketball tournament. Bye, Team Random. Be best and be a blessing. Bye.